I'm going to be breaking down the butterfly chest bar pull-up. So the key points of performance for this guy here, you want to think of your back leg like a bicycle. As I go back into the kip, I'm going to be kicking through here, the knee's going to come up, pop the hip. So every time, watch this cycle of the leg here. And another thing, anytime you're doing chest to bars, so if this is my pull-up bar here, when I'm doing pull-ups, I'm just looking barely over the bar. For chest to bars, I'm looking much higher at the bar. So I'm actually looking at the top of my ceiling here, because that opens up my chest more and I can pull a little harder and hit right in my chest. So as I go into the backward cycle, I'm doing a big aggressive kick, knee, hip and pull. Knee, hip, pull. Knee, hip, pull. Knee, hip, pull. And the harder that I kick through here, it's going to give me that momentum. At the exact same time, I crank out the hip and pull with my chest. That's the butterfly chest to bar pull-up. Get after it.